Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. We're showing you how to add a menu on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, by default, if you have selected a theme, you should have a menu right here under the header. Okay, if you don't have it, just click on the header. You'll find this header section. So you gotta scroll down and you'll find menu. So click on select and you'll find main menu right here or footer menu or whatever. And if you want to, you go and click on create menu to create your own menu. Okay, give it a name, for example, navigation menu. Add in some items, for example, your socials. Click on this box and link it to a page. Okay, I've created a social page right here. So another one, maybe contact. Click on link right here. Maybe you have the contact page. Yep. Add in some more. Maybe we have policies right here. Privacy policy. There you go. The once that's done, click on save. Wait for it. Now when you go ahead and go back to your editor right here, if it doesn't load automatically, you can just go ahead and refresh. Reload. Wait for it. And once done, here we now have our navigation menu. Okay. If the right menu was not selected, you can go ahead and go back to menu right here and just replace it. Just like so, and find your new navigation menu. Don't forget to click on save. Check it out right here. As you can see, we have socials, contact, privacy policy. And when you go ahead and preview it, here we have it. Okay, that's how easy it is to add menu on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.